Cancun, Mexico, where the local time is 9:25. We are almost there, but we need you to stay in your seat with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on luggage stowed for a few minutes longer until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop. Smokers, take note that there are no designated smoking areas in the airport. Smoking will be permitted only once you exit the terminal. Please take a minute to remember what you have brought on board. Check your seat pockets. We want to make sure you don't leave anything behind. When opening the overhead compartments, please open them slowly and carefully. Things